today I'm scripting your funny ideas, part 21. For the first one, we got idea. There are 3 doors. One says do not enter, another says enter me, and the last one is blank. You can choose what each door does. All right, let's try this out. So as you can see, we have our 3 doors right here. Now, which one would you enter? Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like enter this one's probably the most enterable one, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter that one. And, oh, you were kicked from this experience. Why'd you enter? You're so gullible. Okay, well, we got kicked. Let's try the do not enter. Okay, maybe this one's better. Come on, come on. It looked like a bunch of money, but I died. And the question mark, I'm not going to lie, I don't remember what this one does. So let's try this one. And rejoin. Okay, perfect. So all these doors are useless. Amazing. Okay, next we have idea. Whenever you insult an NPC, the NPC will pull out a gun and say, how dare you, and then shoot you to death. All right, we have our NPC right here. I'm going to go ahead and bully him. I'm going to say, this NPC is so ugly. How dare you? Don't insult me, long cries. I got banned. All right, next we have whenever you run, your speed keeps getting slower and slower and slower, and eventually you'll die. All right, so we're going to go ahead and run, and I'm getting a little bit slower, guys. This is a little weird. Why am I walking? I'm speed walking now. I'm no longer running. I'm getting a little slow. Oh, I'm dead. And that new face is cursed, but all right, well, no more running, guys. Lesson learned. Okay, next we have idea. Whenever you try to do admin commands, it kicks you from the server and says no admin for you. All right, we're in the game right now, and all these unsuspecting NPCs don't know that I'm actually an admin, so I'm gonna go ahead and type /fly and no admin for UL. I'm not sure why all of your ideas revolve me getting kicked or dying, but you know what? It's fine. That's what you guys comment, so yeah. All right, idea number 5. Idea. Whenever you shoot a player with a pink gun, they're given a man face and a maid outfit. Whenever you shoot a player with a black gun, they become emo. Okay, amazing. Another great idea. I won't lie, man. You guys have great ideas. Okay, so we have a pink gun right here. This is quite pink, and a black gun right here. So we're going to go ahead and shoot this guy, I guess. He looks pretty normal right now. And, oh. Bro just changed genders. Amazing. That's kind of cool, I guess. All right, now let's have the black gun and, oh, emo R6 character. And, oh, I still have that other script enabled, so I just died. Well, very cool. As you can see, he's emo now. And now he's a maid. And now he's emo. You can just switch back and forth. I'm not going to lie, this would be cool for some kind of game, but yeah. Anyways, next. Idea. When you're in a race and about to win, the finish line says, are you sure about that? And a fan appears and blows you across the map. All right, so right here we have our finish line. Looks pretty nice if you ask me. We're going to go ahead and run across of it. Come on, finish. And the fan blew me across the map. All right, well, that's just delightful. I'm flying in the sky now, still. That's a powerful fan, bro. Okay, next, idea. When you equip a knife, an NPC spawns with a gun and says, never bring a knife to a gunfight, and shoots you. All right, this is pretty easy. So let's go ahead and pull this knife out and never bring a knife to a gunfight. What's up with NPCs shooting me, guys? I don't get why you guys like that so much, but you know what? It's fine. All right, next we have idea. There's a bunch of NPCs around a nuke, and you come over to see the nuke. You accidentally ignite the nuke, and everyone gets exploded. We have all our NPCs right here. They're all just gathered around a nuke. I'm going to say, what's up, guys? It says, do not light me. I'm going to say, should I press the button, guys? Huh? Anyone? No, I'm talking to myself. All right, that's fine. That's fine. You know what? I'm going to just press it. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Gameplay paused. What even is that? A game broke. What? Bro, wait a minute. That was sick. All right, wait. I got rid of the game broke. I want to see how it looks. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, listen. I did not code the gameplay pause thing. That's part of Roblox. But wow, bro. That nuke looks so sick. Anyways, the next idea. Idea. Have a line and says, do not cross. When you cross it, your avatar disappears and you die. Bro, another dying one. All right, it's fine. So we have a line, do not cross. We don't follow the rules around here, so we're going to cross this line. And, yeah, looks pretty nice to me. Oh, I'm disappearing. Oh, and I'm dead. All right. Amazing. Very nice script. Okay, next. Idea. When you tell your friend they're a dummy, they turn into a dummy. All right, so this emo guy is my friend again. So let's go ahead and say, you're a dummy. And, oh, it didn't work. All right, let's try that again. You're a dummy, and, oh, bro's a dummy. I'm not the dummy. You're banned? Bro, what? All right, well, that's your script, guys. Congratulations. All right, idea. Whenever you say I can never be banned, the ban screen pops up, and it says I can never be banned for the ban reason. I can never be banned, and I'm banned. Okay, enough banning, bro. Okay, idea. Whenever you say I'm bored, the game gives you a sword and a few zombies to kill. All right, sounds pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and just say it. I'm going to say I'm bored, and oh. Hey, yo, the zombie's killing my friend. No. I think I just killed the NPC, actually myself. That's my bad. And yo, oh, no. This is part of the other script. And why am I climbing a sky? Okay, wait. I did not mean to show that much. That is, an accident. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and say I'm bored again. And I'm going to kill some zombies, all right? Bro, they're attacking everyone but me. Hey, leave them alone. Yeah, there you go. Fight me, buddy. Oh, what the heck? Oh, yo, those zombies are OP. All right, well, pretty cool idea if you ask me, but yeah, they're OP. Okay, next, whenever you say I'm so smart, a teacher comes to you and says you failed all your exams today. Okay, nobody cares, but I'm gonna just say it in the chat. I'm so smart. And, oh, you failed all your exams today. Maybe I'm not so smart. Okay, why do I talk to NPCs, guys? What's wrong with me? All right, anyways, next. All right, idea. The more you jump, the more the ground says, ow, stop, bro. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just jump, I guess. And am I hurting the ground's feelings? Oh, there it is. Ow, stop, bro. Ow, stop. Imagine the base play had feelings. Bro, yo, it's actually hurting right now. It's spamming that in the chat. I'm going to say, oh, okay, I'm sorry. See, guys, the NPCs do talk to me. And now it's not even an NPC. It's an inanimate object, which is a base plate. Idea. A boat that literally unanchors when you say, release the anchor. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and say, release the anchor. And, oh, my gosh. That boat just got demolished. Well, cool idea, I guess. So, rest in peace, that boat. Okay, idea. Whenever you walk around, you teleport to somewhere you don't want to go. All right, so I'm in the game, and we're going to go ahead and just take a step this way. And, bro, it killed me immediately. Hold on, let me try it again. Okay, wait, hold on. Take a step. And, yo, I'm in a box now. Okay, another step. I'm in the box, and yo, what is this? Is this supposed to be, I'm burning alive, I guess, guys. I definitely don't want to go here, so yeah, the idea complete. Okay, idea. When you step on a donut, everyone comes up to you and says, you stepped on my donut. All right, boys, here's the donut. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and step on it, and you stepped on my donut. Bro, why are they just skating across the ground? Like, they don't got no personality or nothing, bro. They're not going to walk. And why are there so many of them? Oh, my gosh. It was just one donut, bro. Okay, well, lesson learned. Don't step on donuts, guys. I'm getting pushed now. I'm not even moving. All right, idea. If you dance, you turn into a zombie. So we're going to go ahead and just get jiggy with it. We're going to go ahead and do a little dance move. Here we go. E-dance and boom. Hey. Oh, what the heck? I'm a zombie. It worked. All right. Can I kill people? Wait, what the heck? Guys, I'm not even moving my keyboard. And because the other thing I coded, because of the zombies coded earlier, it automatically attacks people. I'm literally an AI right now. Guys, I swear I'm not doing this. I'm literally not. Like, now I am, right? This is, but then this is automatic. Yo, this is sick. Okay, let me spawn in some donuts. Yeah, very nice. And I'll spawn in some zombies too. Hold on. I'm so bored. And where are the zombies? All right, I'm getting overpowered by these guys. Never mind. Well, rest in peace, everybody in this server. Okay, next. Idea. Drink a Grimace Shake from McDonald's, and then Grimace will spawn behind you and kills you. Oh, gosh, bro. I thought the Grimace trend was over, but here we go, boys. Happy birthday, Grimace. Let's take a sip, and, all right. Seems pretty normal. Oh, what the? Die easy. See you in Grimace world. And bro's just gone. All right, well, let's set this off with a nuke now. Here we go. Do not like me, and world over. All right, boys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below your funny ideas. Anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.